Section number 3, 3D modeling and shadow analysis in Google SketchUp software. Lecture number 1, Introduction to Google SketchUp software. Learning objectives of lecture number 1 is learner should able to understand importance of Google SketchUp software for shadow analysis. Learner should able to use various command in Google SketchUp software. In this lecture, we're going to familiar with the Google SketchUp software. Basically, in the Google SketchUp software, we are creating the 3D model for our site and we are doing the shadow analysis. First, we need to download the Google SketchUp software from this given link, or with the help of this link, we can actually do an online creation of a model and shadow analysis. First, we need to click on the create a new model. Then we need to learn the use of various commands that are available in Google SketchUp. Then we need to learn to make a sample of a model for further studies. Once we have clicked on this link is given in the description box. It opens the Google SketchUp online. Basically, in the Google SketchUp, we can draw the 3D diagrams, and according to the location of particular shadow creating obstacles, we can also analyze that how much amount of shadow is falling over a solar panel and how we can avoid the shadow occurring over a solar panels. Once the Google SketchUp software has been opened, in that we need to create a new model basically. Then the create a new model, we can either create a model in terms of meter, millimeters or feet or inches. We'll go for the creation of model in terms of meter. Once we have clicked the model in terms of meter, the screen is been opened over here. Here are the number of commands has been given over here. We just used to do basically the required command, how we can use the command and how we can create a new model. First, we will see the basic commands. This command is basically the select command. From this, we can select the particular side of an object. Second is the eraser command. Once we have drawn something, if we want to erase it, then we can erase with the help of this command. The paint command, we can do the paint of a particular object. Then there is a line command, we can do we can draw the line basically. Once we have chosen this, we can draw the line like this, whatever position that we have drawn. With the help of eraser, we can erase the whatever we draw in the Google SketchUp software. Next is a curve command basically. With the help of this, we can draw the curve. Next is a rectangle command and circle command. With the help of this rectangle, we can draw the rectangle like this. What is the basic length and width is there. On this below dimension box is given over here. Here we need to enter the particular dimension for which we need to create a rectangle. Then inside there is a circle command also. With the help of this circle command, we can draw the circle of a corresponding diameter. We can write here the radius also for which we are drawing the circle. Next, there is a pull and push command basically. With the help of pull and push command, we can extrude the object or we can do the 3D analysis or the drawing of 3D object also. Let's say for this we have drawn a box like this with a particular rectangle. Likewise, the circle that we have taken over here, we can also draw the cylinder like this. With the help of pull and push command basically, it is very easy to draw the 3D objects. Then there is an important command of tape measure. With the help of tape measure, we can measure the length and radius of particular circle. Then there is a command of walk command. Then there is a position of camera command. There is a position of eye command. In that view, we can do the auxiliary analysis or we can view the object in the auxiliary direction. Then there is a rotate command basically, that is orbit command. Then there is a pan command. Then there is a search command. With the help of pan command, we can move the object anywhere over the screen. With the help of orbit command, we can rotate the object like this in the three planes basically. So likewise, we can use to do the practice of different commands that are available in the Google SketchUp software. Here there is an important command of 3D warehouse. With the help of this 3D warehouse, we can take out the solar panels, whatever the obstacles that we have ready-madely available over the database basically, that we can import from this database. With the help of 3D warehouse, once we have click over here, it will open a new window. In this new window, if we want a solar panel, then we need to write a solar panel over here. If we want the tree is an obstacle, water tank is an obstacle, so likewise we can import the different objects that have been already been available in the Google SketchUp software. Then there is an important command of a scene command. In the scene command basically we can create an animation of 60 seconds. Likewise, then there is a command of a display command. In the display command basically we can do the shadow analysis of giving particular time and particular date. We can view the shadow of obstacles like this. Once we have click, so on this particular time of 1:30 p.m. and a day of 8 November basically, how the shadow is going to fall over the object or fall over the ground, that we can easily be visualized. So with the help of this shadow analysis command, we can visualize how a different obstacle shadow is basically falling over a solar panel. So likewise, we need to practice the different commands which are been available. Then we need to draw the final object that we want. Basically here save button is given over here. We can save whatever that we have drawn in the database. Once again, by logging to this Google SketchUp software, we can also activate what we have drawn in the earlier cases. So in the next lecture, we're going to see the drawing of a 3D objects for a particular location of our selected site.